Class 7 IMO Level 2 Sample Paper 2026. Question number 1. The temperature of a hot iron rod is 290 degrees Celsius. Every minute the temperature drops down by 18 degrees Celsius. What will be the tens place digit of the temperature of the iron rod after 9 minutes? Given every minute the temperature drops down by 18 degrees Celsius. Therefore, after 9 minutes, the temperature will drop by 18 degrees Celsius into 9 minutes, that is 162 degrees Celsius. The temperature of the iron rod after 9 minutes is equal to 128 degrees Celsius. The tens place digit of the temperature of the iron rod after 9 minutes is 2. Question number 2. In a tank, 1/3 of the capacity is filled with water. If 50 liters of the water is drawn from it, then the remaining water is just 2/9 of the total capacity of the tank. What is the total capacity of the tank? Let the capacity of the tank be X. Given the tank is filled with 1/3 of X with water. In that, 50 liters are taken out and the remaining amount is 2/9X. With this information, we can frame an equation. 1/3 of X minus 50 is equal to 2/9 of X. Solving this, we can find the value of X, that is 450 liters, which is the total capacity of the tank. Question number 3. A batsman scores 80 runs in his 6th inning and thus increases his average by 5. Find the average of the batsman in 6 innings. Let the average of the batsman after 5 innings be X. So total runs scored in 5 innings by 5 is equal to X, which is basically the average. Now, total runs scored in 5 innings is equal to 5X. Given after 6th inning, the average increases by 5. So the new average is X plus 5. Total runs scored in 6th inning is equal to 6 into X plus 5. Let us keep this as equation 1. He scored 80 runs in 6th inning. So we can write this as total runs scored in 6th inning is equal to total runs scored in 5 innings plus 80. Now from equation 1 and 2, we can find the value of X, that is 50. Now the average of batsman after 6 innings is equal to 55. Question number 4. In an examination, one should get 36% of the maximum marks to pass. A student obtained 113 marks and is declared failed by 85 marks. The maximum marks are given. One should get 36% of the maximum marks to pass, and the student scores 113 marks but fails by 85 marks. From this, we can say the pass mark as 113 plus 85, that is 198. Now, 36 of the maximum marks is 198. Therefore, this can be written as 36 by 100 into maximum marks is equal to 198. Now we can solve for maximum marks. So maximum marks is 550. Question number 5. In the given figure, not drawn to scale, P, Q, R, S and UT are parallel lines. If C is equal to 75 and A is equal to 2 by 5 of C, then find B plus D by 2. Given P, Q, R, S, UT are parallel and C is equal to 75. Since A is equal to 2 by 5 of C, we can find the value of A, that is 30. Now we need to find B and D, then evaluate B plus D by 2. Consider UT parallel to PQ and PT is a transversal. If we do that, we can see that angle A plus angle B is equal to angle C. Since we already know the values of angle A and C, we can substitute them and find the value of angle B, that is 45 degrees. Consider RS parallel to PQ and PR is a transversal. If we consider that angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degrees, since they are co-interior angles. Since we already know the value of angle B, we can find the value of angle D. So angle D is 135 degrees. Now they have asked to find B plus D by 2, that is 112.5 degrees. Mathematics question number 6. In the given figure, not drawn to scale, find the value of M. Let's consider the triangle PSR. In PSR, here it is given that SR is equal to PS and they form an isosceles triangle. And since it's an isosceles triangle, opposite sides are equal. So angle P and R are equal. If we do that, we can find the value of angle P and R, that is 30 degrees. Now let us consider the whole triangle PQR. We can write this as angle PQR plus angle QPR plus angle PRQ, which is equal to 180 degrees, since sum of all the angles of a triangle are 180 degrees. Since angle P is equal to m plus 30 and angle Q is 70 and angle R is 30 plus 20, we can join all these and write this as this equation. From this equation, we can find the value of m, that is 30 degrees. Mathematics question number 7. Raghav was measuring a piece of cloth of length 2.5 meters, but by mistake, he measured its length as 255 centimeters. Find the change in percentage in measuring the length. The original length of the cloth is equal to 250 centimeters. Measured length is equal to 255 centimeters. Therefore, change in measure of length is equal to 5 centimeters. Percentage change is given by the formula change by actual length into 100. If we do that, we'll get the percentage change as 2%. Mathematics question number 8. The reciprocal of the given expression is. First, let us solve the expression and take all the mixed fractions into improper fractions. Then taking LCM and simplifying, we will get 22 by 7. Since they have asked the reciprocal of this given expression is equal to 7 by 22. Mathematics question number 9. In the given figure not drawn to scale, ABCD is a rectangle. ED is equal to 16 centimeters, BF is equal to 20 centimeters, and FG is equal to FC, which is equal to 8 centimeters. FG is perpendicular to BC. If CD is half of AD, then find the area of the shaded region. Given ABCD is a rectangle, ED is equal to 16, BF is equal to 20 centimeters, FG is equal to FC, which is equal to 8 centimeters, and CD is half of AD. We have to find the area of the shaded region. Area of shaded region is equal to area of rectangle ABCD minus area of unshaded region. First, let us find all the missing sides. Since BF is 20 centimeters and FC is 8 centimeters, we can find the total length of the whole BC, that is 28 centimeters. Since ED is 16 centimeters and BC is 28 centimeters, we can find the value of AE, that is 12 centimeters. We can divide the unshaded region into triangle ABE, triangle DGH, and rectangle CFGH by drawing a line from G to DC. GHFC is a square and all sides of the square are equal. GH is equal to 8 centimeters and HC is equal to 8 centimeters. Now, since we know the value of DC, we can find the value of HD, that is 6 centimeters. Area of unshaded region is equal to area of triangle ABE plus area of triangle DGH plus area of rectangle CFGH. Now, area of the unshaded region is equal to 172 centimeters square. Now, area of the shaded region is equal to 220 centimeters square. Mathematics question number 10. By how much is this expression greater than the sum of the other two expressions? The sum of the first two expressions are minus 18x plus 6y plus 5x minus 25y, which can be written as minus 13x minus 19y. To find out how much is this expression greater than the sum, we have to subtract the sum from minus 12x plus 2y. If we do that, we'll get the answer as x plus 21y. Therefore, the first expression is x plus 21y greater than the sum. Question number 11. If x to the power y is equal to y to the power x, where x and y are distinct natural numbers, then find the value of x plus y. This we can do by using trial and error method. Let us start with smaller number. Let y is equal to 2 and let x is equal to 4. Since x and y are distinct natural numbers. Now x to the power y is equal to y to the power x can be written as 4 to the power 2, which is equal to 2 to the power 4. So both of these results equal to 16. Now LHS is equal to RHS, so we can say x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. Now they have asked what's the value of x plus y, and the value of x plus y is 6. Mathematics question number 12. How many of the following letters have rotational symmetry of order more than 1? Letters having rotational symmetry of order more than 1 are H, O and X. Therefore, 3 letters have rotational symmetry greater than 1 in the given list. Question number 13. Which of the following is a hexagonal prism? C is a hexagonal prism. Mathematics question number 14. If x is equal to minus 26 plus 25 up to 40 terms and y is equal to 15 plus minus 14 up to 20 terms, then y minus x is? Let's find the value of x and y first. In x, let us take the first two values. If we do that, the first two values answer will be minus 1. If we take the next two, we will get the answer as minus 1. If we keep on doing it, it will go till 20 terms. So x can be written as minus 1 into 20, that is minus 20. Similarly for y, if we take the first two terms, you will get the answer as 1 and the next two terms answer as 1. This will keep going on for 10 terms. Therefore, y is equal to 10. Now, y minus x is equal to 30. Mathematics question number 15. The mean of 5 observations is 3 and if one more observation is added, then the mean becomes 3.5. Find the value of new observation. Sum of 5 observation is equal to 5 into 3, that is 15. Given after adding one observation, the mean becomes 3.5. Sum of 6 observation is equal to 21. The value of the new observation is equal to 6. Mathematics question number 16. The given double bar graph shows the buyers of DVDs and CDs. Study the given graph carefully and answer the following questions. In which music category the difference between DVD buyers and CD buyers is minimum? In pop music, the difference between DVD buyers and CD buyers is minimum. Mathematics question number 17. A student painted a circular region of a certain area such that 4/7 of the area was pink, 1/10 of the area was green, and 2/7 was yellow. The remaining area of 6 meters square was white. Find the area of the region which is painted pink. Let the total area be x. Given 4/7 into x is painted pink, 1/10 into x is painted green, 2/7 into x is painted yellow. Total area painted is equal to the addition of all of these. Now let us find the value of x. If we subtract the total painted area from x, we obtain the remaining area. Based on this, let us form an equation. X minus 67/70, x is equal to 6 meters square. So using this, we can find the value of x, that is 140 meters square. The area painted pink is equal to 4/7 into x, that is 80 meters square. Mathematics question 18. Which of the following figures is the top view of the given figure? D is the top view of the given figure. Mathematics question number 19. In the given figure, not drawn to scale, if AB is parallel to CG, which is parallel to EF, then find the value of first one, 2z minus x, second one, x plus 2y. In order to find the values of these two questions, we need to know the values of x, y and z. So let us find the values of x, y and z. If we extend the line AB to H, then angle ABC, angle DBG, angle HBG lie on a straight line, which means they have a sum of 180 degrees. Since we do not know the value of angle HBG, we can find the value of angle HBG. Angle HBG is equal to 60 degrees. Now, AH and CG are parallel and BG is a transversal. Since angle HBG is equal to angle BGD, which is equal to y, which is equal to 60 degrees because they are alternate angles. BGD forms a triangle. So, the sum of all the angles of a triangle are 180 degrees. We can find the value of angle GDB, that is 80 degrees. Since angle GDB is equal to angle CDE, which is equal to 80 degrees. since they are vertically opposite angles, and that is x. So now we know the values of x and y. Here, EF and CG are parallel and BE is a transversal. Angle GDB is equal to angle FED because they are corresponding angles. So, angle GBD is equal to x plus 20. Since we know the value of angle GDB, we can find the value of Z, that is 60 degrees. Since we know all the values of x, y and z, we can solve for the given questions, and the first one's answer will be 40 degrees and the second one will be 200 degrees. Mathematics question number 20. In the given figure, not drawn to scale, FC and BG are straight lines. If DE is parallel to BC and angle BAD is equal to 2x minus 70 degrees, angle ABC is equal to x minus 20 degrees, and angle FAG is equal to 2x plus 20 degrees, then find the value of angle EAC. In the given figure, angle FAG and BAC are equal because they are vertically opposite angles. DE is parallel to BC and BG is a transversal. Angle ABC is equal to angle BAD as they are alternate angles. Angle FAG is equal to angle BAC because they are vertically opposite angles. Now ABC forms a triangle according to the triangle property, sum of all the angles of a triangle are equal to 180 degrees. Using this, we can find the value of x, that is 50 degrees. DE is parallel to BC and CF is a transversal. Angle ABC is equal to angle EAC since they are alternate angles. So, angle ABC is equal to angle EAC, therefore angle EAC is equal to 30 degrees. Let's see you guys all in part 2.